Howdy folks, I'm going to attempt to show y'all a little method I confabulated to clean these doggone gars that I've become so fascinated with catching. Easiest, my redneck gar cleaning table, which is basically no ironing board. Got holes in it, makes it easy to wash everything off. Put your foot on the leg of it and that'll stabilize it. You can move it anywhere you want to in your yard. With just a few tools. I like this cleaver. It's heavy, old school cleaver. You can use a machete or a hatchet, or you can just use these and they work good. And I've seen people using a sawzall to do the same thing. So comes in handy to have a pair of these vise grips and some kind of sharp knife with kind of a round end on it. That's pretty much all you need. You can clean them real easy. It's some good meat. A lot of people, I grew up my whole life thinking gar meat wasn't no count. You know, I heard all this junk fish, people just throw them up on the bank and let them die. Until recently, I started seeing a lot of videos about Cajun people that knew how to cook them properly and clean them. And I tried it and I realized it's some fine meat. The worst thing about it is cleaning it, and it ain't that hard to do that. Enough about that. Here's my technique. One of the main things for cleaning anything is keep your knife sharp. I always get a lot of good use out of one of these sticks, knife sharpeners. They work good. No dull knife, no nothing. About the only thing a dull knife's good for is cutting your own self. I just hit a couple licks like that and keep it good and sharp all the time. Alright. They some slimy jokers. It don't make it no easier having slime all over. Try to rinse a fair amount of it off. Get your old ironing board, a pair of vise grips, a pair of 10 snips, cleaver, machete, hatchet, whatever you got. Really cut with a little weight to it. Some kind of round-ended knife like that. I know that's a lot of stuff, but it makes it pretty easy. This is my redneck method. Get that old nose on there. Don't need this tail off. There's an old gator in there. Anyhow, you got to start on that again. Oh, that stuff is slimy. Once you get started, you're all right. A couple pair of vise. good piece of meat out of that. There's some belly meat down here you can fool with if you mind to. It's got that silver skin on the inside. Most people don't fool with it. As far as that belly meat, I mean, they might be 2 nuggets there. This ain't a huge fish. I mean, it's meat. I might cut it out. Just show y'all. You can get that too. Trying to do this the least messy I can, but I mean, you can get that belly meat, like I say. And you can go on down if you have a mind to. Get into a little more mess down here. You got them fins right there, and you got the butt. So I'm gonna leave it at that. That's pretty clean. That's about as clean as I want to get it right now, and I think that's sufficient. Pretty darn clean. The old redneck gar cleaning table works out perfect. It's even shaped kind of like one. With your wiring board, take that foam stuff off of it. You can stand on the foot if you need to be real stable. All right, folks, until next time.